Adi Express Nail Fungal Ampoule Treatment Serum for strong, smooth, healthy looking nails, prevents nails from chipping and breaking, moisturize and condition the nails and circle area, prevents cracking and peeling of cuticles, help fight fungus and eczema. Apply to clean and gently buffet nails. Very easy to use. Apply, take the dose, set one for each bottle, lightly play the neck, shake the essence up and down. The essence does not overflow when broken. Finally, put a small cup on the dose sleeves to avoid sunshine and place in a cool place.